Welcome 8th graders, happy Block D. I'm not here today obviously, so this video is going to explain what you're working on for today and what your assignment is. So you're going to see all of this in Schoology, and it's going to be watching a video called Prototype This about a boxing robot, and then after that you will answer a few questions based on the video. So you can go to Schoology to find these things, and you'll see your assignment for May 11th. First, it's watch Prototype This boxing robot. So when you click on that, it's just a video that's loaded in Google Drive. You'll notice it's, I think, at 43 minutes. And so when you do this, put away all those distractions, having extra games or tabs open, holding those side conversations so that people can actually listen to it. And while you watch it or after the video, you will then open up this Google Doc here, which is also in Schoology. And when you click on that, you'll see the questions that you need to answer. This document itself you can't edit, so you'll have to go to File, make a copy, and from there then it'll make a copy that you can type into. And then once you do that, you will have to share it with me so that I can see what you've answered. So if you do these 4 things, you will have finished your assignment for today. And so you have a guest teacher, show your character right now, because I know a lot of people act fools when subs walk in. And show that you're kind, take care of business, even if Jerry Kell is walking around to talk to Jordan. All right? We'll see you all on Friday. Be good today.